Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best Sympathy baskets. So let's get started. Number 7. Broadway Basketeers Thinking. This tower of goodies measures over a foot high and includes blue cheese pretzel nuggets, vanilla apple caramels, caramel popcorn with chocolate and peanut butter drizzle, chocolate chip cappuccino cookies, cracked pepper, and sea salt popcorn, and chocolate esmores pretzels. We like that it's kosher certified, with a mix of classic and unique flavor combinations. Plus, you really can't beat the price. While it's not exclusively branded as a Sympathy gift, you can personalize your message in a card at checkout. Number 6. Gluten-free Palace Biscotti Gift. Great gluten-free desserts can be hard to find. This assortment of crunchy biscotti is certified gluten-free, dairy-free, preservative-free, and kosher. Each cookie is hand-dipped in toppings like coconut flakes, craisins, cappuccino chips, white chocolate bits, cinnamon sugar, nonpareils, and chocolate chips. Depending on when you order, you can get same-day delivery, and while it's not branded as a Sympathy box only, you can add a thoughtful note at checkout. Number 5. Sympathy Spa Gift Basket. The passing of a loved one is a difficult time, mentally, emotionally, and physically. Express your heartfelt condolences with one or more thoughtful pampering gift baskets, replete with spa treatments that are meant to relax, replenish, and calm sore, aching soles and muscles. Complete with soothing oils, lavender, and shea butter, temporary relief is assured. Number 4. Golden State Fruit Sympathy. It's never easy to send condolences after a friend loses a loved one. These considerate gift baskets offer organic pleasures for your dear friend with orchard fruits that include pears, apples, oranges, mandarins, and a fruit in season, as well as seasonal fare. Presented in a woven basket, memories of your kind gesture remain sweet. Number 3. Heartfelt Thoughts Sympathy. Handmade in California, this beautiful gift expresses condolences in wonderfully simple and elegant ways. Overflowing with cranberry harvest medleys, cheeses, biscuits, and dark chocolates, the hand-woven basket also features a guardian angel keepsake. Oft stated, an angel will help guide a friend or family member through difficult times, and to have one is regarded as a blessing. Number 2. Gift Basket Village with Deepest Sympathy. Beautiful, thoughtful, and caring are mere words to describe this gracious, kindly gift basket. Carefully packed with comforting foods like handmade chocolate chip cookies, a large ceramic coffee mug with a serenity prayer, and surrounded by lifelike silk flowers and ivy, the heart and soul of the gift is the book which promises healing and serenity. Number 1. Golden State Fruit Gourmet Abundance. While grieving, some of us have no appetite. This filled woven basket gently reminds your loved ones that eating is a must-do. Overflowing with orchard favorite fruits like pears, apples, mangoes, and mandarins, as well as cheese, sausage, nuts, and pecans, your dear friends will march on with physical energy, thanks to your love and devotion.